Number 10. Number 9.
After putting so much time into a piece, it's real nice to have a tool that allows you to take out very minimal amounts of material. To me, the rasps are almost like using a finer sandpaper. A lot of times I have details that I just want to subtly soften, and the rasps are the perfect tool for that. I have complete control. I know I'm not going to take off more material than I want, and I could ease into it. And the end result's a cleaner finish because of its multi-directional capabilities. The rasps allow me to take any piece even that much closer to the finished product. I couldn't imagine my shop being without them.
Number 8.
The Fischer DuoBlade is the self-drilling plasterboard plug for fast and easy installation. As another product from the Fischer Duo line, the DuoBlade offers more ease of installation thanks to its more component technology. Its self-drilling tip with 3 sharp cutting blades ensures a clean and effective drilling process. The centering tip allows easy and precise setting of the plug. During assembly, the screw pushes the drill tip forward so that it breaks off at the set point. This enables minimum component thickness and easy screw guidance. The self-cutting thread offers optimum form lock. Its innovative geometry generates less suspense in the thread body and protects the building material. The anti-rotation locks prevent the plug from spinning in the drill hole. The additional expansion ensures higher load values. For easy mounting of loads in plasterboard, the Fischer DuoBlade.
Number 7.
Woodpecker's 6-in-1 pocket gauge adjusts by 1/32 of an inch. The 6-in-1 pocket gauge uses a 32-pitch gear rack to incrementally adjust the reference block from the base block. With the shoulder created between the 2 blocks, you have a physical reference you can use to check, adjust, and mark all sorts of measurements in your shop. If you prefer working in metric measurements, take the racks off and flip them over. Now the teeth engage at perfect 1 millimeter increments. And all the scales on the 6-in-1 are graduated in both inch and metric. Let's take a closer look at the 6 different functions. Setting the height of router bits and saw blades. Checking the depth of rabbets and dados. Measuring and locking drill bit stop collars. Locating the center of stock up to 2 full inches thick. Scribing lines perfectly parallel to the edge of your stock. And measuring the depth of small holes and narrow grooves. The basic design of the 6-in-1 pocket gauge is identical to the 6-in-1 shop gauge we introduced in 2018. The difference is it's a little bit smaller and it's designed to be there when you need it. When you're not in the shop, the 6-in-1 pocket gauge comes with a wall-mountable racket. You'll know right where to grab it for your next project. Woodpeckers 6-in-1 pocket gauge. Locked-in accuracy for better results in your shop. Order yours today.
Number 6. Number 5.
From Swanson Tool Company, the inventors of the Speed Square, comes another innovation, the Framing Wizard. A new 5-in-1 framing square that eliminates the need for all these alignment tools. Traditional framing squares don't fit in toolboxes. They get bent and smashed in the truck or out on the job, becoming useless. The Framing Wizard folds conveniently to fit into any standard size toolbox. The Framing Wizard's ability to fold and unique sliding tab allow you to lay out 12-inch, 16-inch, and 24-inch on center studs. Quickly move down a board and repeat a stud layout perfectly every time. Switch between angled and square cut marks and back again. Add a small level and determine existing roof pitches in a snap. With the Framing Wizard, you can easily lay out a perfect pitch for common or hip and valley rafters. Also, the Framing Wizard's trademark diamond cutout allows you to quickly lay out double cheek marks for hip valley rafter cuts. This trademark diamond cutout is a Swanson tool exclusive. The Framing Wizard can be simply readjusted to maintain accuracy. And with the Framing Wizard's handy step-down table, you can easily calculate rake walls and jack rafter lengths. Constructed of aircraft-grade aluminum with bright blue hardcoat anodizing and precision laser etched details, the Framing Wizard is built for the long haul. It's the Framing Wizard, the folding framing square by Swanson Tool Company. Look for the trademark diamond cutout, only from Swanson. Start square and finish level with Swanson.
Number 4. Number 3.
Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the 50-inch Jorgensen cutting rail guide. The Jorgensen 50-inch cutting rail guide will make any cutting project a breeze and give your work a professional quality look. The rail guide is made from extruded rigid aluminum and features a clamp to secure it to a surface. The guide includes a ruler so you can make your cuts precise. Simply line up your rail guide to create your desired edge. Then line up the clamp with the edge of your workpiece. Turn the handle 90 degrees counterclockwise to tighten the clamp. When you're done, loosen the handle to release. The 50-inch Jorgensen cutting rail guide can be combined with the Jorgensen 50-inch extension rail guide to give you a 100-inch cutting guide. The extension rail can be attached by sliding the ends together and then removed by pressing the quick release button. No screwing necessary. When using the extension, turn the handle 90 degrees clockwise to tighten. The Jorgensen 50-inch cutting rail guide is perfect for cutting straight edges with circular saws, routers, jigsaws, and other portable power equipment. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop.
Number 2. Number 1.
When the weather is great, hardly anything beats spending time out in it. Whether you're grilling, hanging out with your family, or just relaxing, this time of year, your deck really becomes a focal point of your house. Unfortunately, over time, the wear and tear on your deck ruins the quality of your time spent on it. Nails popping up, split ends, and cracked boards. Not only are they not fun to look at, but they can be dangerous too. You can enhance the beauty and quality of your deck with this simple system, the Kreg Deck Jig System. Kreg has been making building wood projects easy with pocket hole jigs for over 30 years, and now we're taking that ease and simplicity to deck building. The Kreg Deck Jig System is easy to use and allows you to conceal the screws on the edge of the boards so that they will never be in your way. The Kreg Deck Jig System allows you to drill a pilot hole and drive a fastener screw at the precise angle and depth that eliminates common problems from face screwing, such as visible screws, cracked and split boards. This makes installing a beautiful deck with hidden fasteners easier than ever, getting you back enjoying your time outside on a deck that you love.